Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how to add a Google Chrome extension specifically to be able to edit PDF files on your computer or other mobile device. So obviously I have Chrome pulled up on my computer. I'm going to go to Chrome extensions and then go to the web store for Chrome. Okay, on there, I'm going to look for this one called Kami. All right, and it should be this one. All right, this is going to let me edit PDFs for the purpose of either I'm sending an application fee waiver to a school and it needs to be signed by me, but I also want to make sure that I can read my writing, things like that. And then for students who also need to send any proof that they are currently remote learners and are not able to come in on campus but need to send in something, this is another way for you to be able to sign it without actually having to come to campus. So then we're just going to click Add to Chrome, add an extension, and it basically takes care of that. And then you see the little puzzle piece right here. I want to be able to see the extension whenever I'm on Google Chrome and I need to fill out a PDF. Yeah, so whenever I'm recording PDF, and then every time I click on it, it'll open up the tab for that application. So that's it.